Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down stability and the camera's brain. Mount your camera or phone on a solid tripod and secure the set so nothing shifts. Once done, choose frame rate, 12 for choppy style, 24 for smoother motion, and plan keyframes and motion arcs. Set manual exposure, white balance, and focus, then disable auto adjustment so lighting stays consistent. Make sure to use remote trigger or intervalometer. This prevents touches that introduce drift and keeps every frame identical where it matters. Now you refine motion and visual continuity. Move objects in tiny, consistent increments, use a ruler, toothpick, or tape marks, and count steps so movements are regular. Use onion skinning in your Capture app or overlay the previous frame to align elements precisely. This reduces jitter and keeps motion believable. Once you establish a path, add easing, take larger steps at the start, then smaller as you approach a stop, to mimic natural acceleration and deceleration. Make sure to recheck focus. You're in the final stage, compile and polish. Import frames and export at the frame rate you planned. Do not retime blindly. If minor shakes persist, apply subtle stabilization. Heavy fixes can warp motion. Use frame blend or motion interpolation sparingly, since they can introduce artifacts. For flicker, check for exposure changes and use deflicker tools or flat continuous lighting to correct it. If something goes wrong, isolate the bad segment. Reshoot those frames with exact settings, then replace only the affected frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.